Hi, I'm Aaron from LifeStraw. I'm going to cover backwashing your LifeStraw Escape. Backwashing is the process of removing debris from your filters that accumulates with normal use. To maintain a solid flow rate, you're going to want to backwash after every use. Or, if you start to see a decrease in overall flow rate, keep in mind if you're filtering highly turbid or cloudy water, you're going to need to backwash more regularly. It's very important to remember, before you start the backwash process, you're going to want to depressurize the tank utilizing the pressure release pin. Also, make sure that there's enough water in the tank so your filter is fully submerged. Keep at least 1 inch of water above the filter level to make sure you have enough for backwashing.
First, thread the included syringe onto the threaded tap. Then, ensure the tap is in the open position and the tank is depressurized. Pull back on the plunger to pull water into the syringe. Then, push the plunger to force water back through the tap and filters. Repeat this step at least 5 times.
After backwashing, you're going to want to go ahead and drain the remaining water in the tank via the drain plug at the back. If you're going to store for a short period of time, take your lid off, allow it to dry, and store in a dry, cool place. If you're not going to use it for more than a month, however, you're going to want to follow our long-term storage instructions, which will be covered in another video. For more information about our products, please visit LifeStraw.com, where you'll find copies of user manuals, frequently asked questions, and more how-to videos. Or you can always email us at info@lifestraw.com.